This is the coordinated monthly test of the
The real question is, how do we, the leaders of the group, perceive this racial threat? And does the example of God in showing us compassion to Nineveh here establish the pattern that our confront should increase forward transparency?
This is the coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information and instructions. Orange County has also implemented a public mass notification system called Alert OC. You can subscribe your cell phone to these alerts by going to alertoc.com. Again, that's alertoc.com. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.